families have to spend more on childcare than they do on their groceries for the week. And oftentimes it's not even quality childcare. That kind of situation is unsustainable in our country. What we have here is a unique opportunity to really think about the investments we want to make in the early childhood sector. I know what the CDA did for me in my practice, and I worry that we have folks working with young children that may have a 4-year degree still trying to figure out how to work with those babies. The CDA requires that they have 480 hours actually working with young children. The CDA has been here for 45 years. I mean, we don't need to recreate the wheel. What we need to do is invest in the CDA as a national credentialing program. We want every teacher who's working with our babies to have the CDA. So we need you to demand the CDA, to ask for the resources that your state needs or your country needs to provide that.